Here at G-Body Fest in Adelanto. A lot of cars. It's almost hard to see all of them. But we're gonna take a little trip down. Check it all out. We got Street Billies. That's where they're gonna have the hop contest later. A lot of different cars out here. Car clubs from all over pulled up. We got Nocturnal, Las Vegas chapter out here. A lot of vendors. L&L Motoring. We got G-Drug, G-Body Works, G-Body Wear. Chicano Hobbies. People just kicking it. Take a walk. Check that all over. G-Body Holics out here. Guerreros Car Club. Look today. Get into doing these vlogging type style shots. So don't judge me if I sound dumb. Going, trying to go down all the aisles. Show you guys what's good. Look at these ones right here. Shits are crazy. Shoot! So much to see. Look at El Camino. Try and do some more of this vlog type style stuff rather than just cinematic. Give people a feel for the scene that we're at. This one's called Alizé. Shit's wet. Get this one. Shoot! Crazy. One of my favorite ones. I like the color. It's wet. Oh, mama. Look at that shit. Woo! A lot of that fucking sick whips out here. Superior Car Club. Super Sport. A lot of Forgiatos. They look sick. One even burnt out earlier. I'll put it in the video. You guys can check it out. Bro, are you kidding me with this? Look at this shit. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Look at that shit. Y'all see it? Forgiatos. But it ain't on. I like this one. This one's tight. Their city shit. A lot of heads out here.
With my AC's OG on the regular basis, we got hundreds of faces fighting literal cases.
Look at that shit.
Draco with a draw, fuck my bitch till she comes. She wishing on a star, I'm a product of the slums. Keep talking like you crazy, bitch, I'm ripping out your tongue. Shining like the sun, money by the sun. Draco with a draw, fuck my bitch till she comes. She wishing on a star, I'm a product of the slums. Keep talking like you crazy, bitch, I'm ripping out your tongue.
Jesus Christ. Fucking cracking out here.
Is it true what they telling me? Every hoe in LA when that nigga who a rap dressed like me. Come back cause I'm cool with it. Hit once then I'm done. Have fun, I need to be feeling. Still that I know what you do. When it's late you can slide down. Bring a friend too.
Walked in a house and I'm half a pill. Take so many chains in a clip full of